We are pleased to show you the 2024 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.